Bucket list. The idiom, bucket list, refers to a list of experiences or goals that a person wants to accomplish before they die or kick the bucket. It is a way to express one's desires and aspirations in life. The term gained popularity after the release of the 2007 film titled The Bucket List, starring Morgan Freeman and Jack Nicholson, in which the main characters create a list of things they want to do before they die. Here are a few examples to help you understand how to use the idiom, bucket list, in different contexts. 1. Example in a conversation. Person A: what are your plans for the summer? Person B: I have a long bucket list of places I want to visit, including Paris, the Great Wall of China, and the Grand Canyon. 2. Example in writing. In her journal, Sarah wrote down her bucket list, which included learning to play the piano, going skydiving, and traveling to all 7 continents. 3. Example in a movie review. The main characters in the film have a heartwarming journey as they tick off items from their bucket list, which includes climbing Mount Everest and swimming with dolphins. 4. Example in a motivational speech. Life is short, so it's essential to create a bucket list and pursue your dreams with passion. Don't wait for tomorrow, start working on your list today. In these examples, the idiom, bucket list, is used to convey the idea of having dreams, goals, or experiences that a person wants to accomplish in their lifetime. It emphasizes the importance of making the most of one's time and living life to the fullest.